How to remove resume on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove resume on LinkedIn. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your account, that is your LinkedIn account. You cannot do anything without logging in, all right? So once you're logged in into your LinkedIn account, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see your profile picture by the left side, etc. And then you can also see some icons, and you can see some posts. You can see some posts on the main screen. By the time you scroll down, you can read through and then learn more, and then you can also see people that you can follow or connect to on LinkedIn. So once you can see this, the next step is to navigate through to the profile by going to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons. Amongst this icon, you can see the me icon, so just ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, click on view profile. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the profiles page automatically. On this page, you can see other options, right? Such as the profile picture, you can see your profile name, you can see open to, you can see add profile section, and then more. Just go ahead and click on more. And then after clicking on more, a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see options like send profile in a message, save to PDF, build a resume about this profile. Just click on build a resume, and then once you click on build the resume, all of the resumes that you've added to your account will be displayed on this box. And then you can now go ahead and delete the resume that you want or remove the resume that you want. Then just move to the right side of the resume where you can see three horizontal dots. Click on it, and then a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see options like preview, edit, make a copy, delete. Just click on delete, and then you'll be asked if you're sure. Just click delete, and then just like that, that resume would be removed. So this is how you can remove resume on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.